What's good, YouTube? It's your boy Kari Beats back with another POV, as y'all can see. Make sure you hit that like button. If you are new, man, hit that subscribe button, man, and be a part of the Kari crew. You won't be disappointed, man, if you're looking for any kind of car content. If you're a Dodge fan, Dodge fanatic, car enthusiast, you feel me? If you love POVs or just a scat pack in general, you know what I'm saying? That somebody who gonna really drive their whip, you came to the right place, my boy. Or lady, you know what I am? But yeah, man, on the road to 15K, get your boy to 15K the quick way. You feel me? But that's a nice little POV drive, man. I got some more stuff in store for y'all, man. I'm gonna have a few people featuring on the channel today, more than likely. You know what I'm saying? Nothing too crazy, man. Be with my partners and just make some video. Probably, obviously, a POV in traffic or something. Then maybe like a, I can't even talk. Maybe like a, I don't know yet. You know what I'm saying? Anything, really. Showing off their wheels, comparisons, all that. You know what I'm saying? Just being lit, man. For to give y'all a little different kind of content. You feel me? So, hopefully y'all like it. You know what I'm saying? Obviously, probably not in this video. Or it could be in this video. I may make one video. One whole video. You never know. Probably not, though. You know me, I like to, you know what I'm saying, get multiple videos, bro. Keep y'all boys on your toes. Keep you on your toes. So you won't be no, man. We in automatic right now. You know what I'm saying? Regular, smegular, custom mode. Regular, smegular, custom mode, man. What's going on, car crew? Ooh, boy, that nigga stopping late, cuz he scared me. I'm looking through his window. That bitch slammed on brakes so hard. Goodness. My bad. Well, yeah, car crew, man, what y'all been on, man? Comment down below, man. Just comment anything. Let me know that you're watching, bro. I'm trying to see who really be watching. Who these couple hundred people are. Like, who are y'all? You know what I'm saying? Show yourself, ugly. But yeah, man. It's a little traffic right now, but we're gonna make the most of it. Y'all driving too slow, cuz. Driving too slow, buddy. Then he gonna want to speed up. They do it every time. Look. Every time, bro. You want to drive slow just to get a gap so you can do that? You're doing nothing. And I'm sitting here trying to follow you. I'm trying to get like what that Kia is, you know what I'm saying? That Kia moving and grooving. You know what I'm saying? Boom. You know what I'm saying? That's how you do it. You got to walk them down. Get in front of them one by one. You know what I'm saying? I just got in front of the car behind me. Hold on. Let me give y'all a little noise, man. I ain't going to make it too boring. I don't want to talk too much. To them flames, them pops, them baby flames. Crazy. Woo. I know y'all heard that one. I just heard a Mustang, right? And there's not no Mustang slander. It's real fast. I just heard a Mustang before I started recording, cause I was sitting in the parking lot. You know what I'm saying? I thought that bill was a V6 because it was coming to the front of me and it was matching the gas leaving the apartment complex, right? And that bit sounded like a straight pipe V6 for a second. Like, that's how raspy it was, like how high pitched and raspy that bill was. So I knew it was like just straight pipe. Like, it had cats, but like, you know, they took the mufflers, middle mufflers and resonators off the back, right? Cause that's how they sound. I know how Mustangs sound. Bro, if you don't go, but ain't no way. But there ain't no, but when I say how much it got blowed, anyway, bro, the Mustang sounded like a V6, fast from the front. But then when it was turning out, cause I was right by the entrance. When it was turning out, that's when I kind of heard the 5.0 in, and I'm like, bro, that bit is too raspy. But yeah, man, like, I was like, bro, that's another thing about Mustang, bro. Like, you gotta buy exhaust, bro, just for that bit to have like a muscular tone. Besides when it's like stock with factory exhaust, you know what I'm saying? Cause the mufflers and all that. But bro, they're so raspy. Like when you just take the like what we do to these cars, what people do like they just do a mid muffler delete or resonator and mid muffler, bro. It sounds deep, bro. That Mustang literally was like, it literally sounded like a V6, bro. He was tapping the gas like when he was leaving the complex before he got into the street, and they were like, I'm like, bro, is that a V6? I was like, oh no, I ain't talking about nothing. Then when he turned, then when his exhaust was facing me, that when I kind of heard a little 5.0, and I'm like, oh, and they had a badge on the side, but it was something else. But it was a 5.0 for sure. It just was very, very like raspy. I'm like, bro, there ain't no way. There ain't no way. Look at my boy and that vet, that my hard. But bro, it's like it ain't no way, cuz that you like, folk, come on, bro. Like, how is your junk sounding like a V6, bro? That one just like, bro, Mustang, you gotta do too much to them, bro, to make them something like, bro, all I did was delete on my exhaust, bro, and they're not even straight pipe, just listen. Nothing about this sound raspy. At all, bro. Nothing about this sound raspy. You see what I'm saying? Like, that's crazy. That's crazy, bro. Like, I just had to say that. I forgot. I had just thought about that, bro. I want to see what how y'all feel about that. Cause, bro, I mean, you know everybody gonna be like Mustang. I think it was an older one too, bro. It wasn't even a 10-speed. If it was, maybe a 2018, but I doubt it. I feel like it's these niggas finna wreck. They retarded. I feel like I'm about to, you know what I'm saying? Like, bro had like a 2016, 17, something like that. It was an automatic. So, and it wasn't shifting like a 10-speed, so it definitely probably was a slow 6-speed. Mustang wasn't talking about nothing, boy, in 2015 through 17, bro. Cause that transmission, well, that 6-speed, bro, auto, and then that horsepower was not helping, bro. Well, I see a Charlie. I don't know if it's a V6 or not. Oh, I see it. It's a V6. That dark gray go crazy. But yeah, man, I was like, bruh. Like, that Mustang sounded crazy. But yeah, they wasn't talking about nothing, though, till they made on 10-speed. Bro, Dodge had a 10-speed, bro. Just imagine, y'all. Car crew. A 10-speed Hellcat, cuz. Wide body. A wide body 10-speed, bro. Just think about that, bro. Like, real talk. Just real life, sit there and think about that, car crew. Bro, we running the world stock. Nigga, we don't even need to do nothing. All we need is a tire. That's it. A tire, maybe an intake, bro. And some exhaust. You don't even really need exhaust. Just take the mid mufflers off. Probably ain't got to do that. Leave it factory, bro. I'm telling you, bro. That mother be moving, bro. That's all we missing is them 2 gears, bro. That's all Chevy and Ford got, bro. Them 2 gears. You take them 2 gears away and go back to 8-speed, bro. Well, Chevy was 8-speed at one point. Them Camaros weren't messing with Scat for real. You gotta really know how to drive on hold to mess with on hold, like, you know what I'm saying? On the road. Cause all of it's the same transmission, it's just going off of power then. And y'all lighter, but we got more horsepower, you know what I'm saying? And more torque. We out of there. Only thing y'all got is 200 on the dash, but like, yeah, y'all governor gonna start that bed like 180. Maybe 185. So I done seen a dude in the Scat, literally on my own eyes, bro, hit 178, bro. Factory. I'm talking about like he just got it, still paper tag. Could hit 178. That was his top speed on the phone. I mean, not on the phone, but on the dash that day when we got to hit crib, bro. Facts. And they bitch say 180. That bitch did 178. Insane. And cuz got pulled over, but he slowed down. By the time he got to 12, he was doing like 120. But yeah, crazy. Crazy. But yeah, man. We had a 10-speed, man. My lord. That bitch got a 2-step on that, or 3-step on that bitch. That bitch said, that bitch sound like a little, oh, boy, what the hell? What are you for? Well, I thought I was tripping just then. But this traffic got to, bro, come on, bro. V6 want to speed up. Something got to give, bro. It's just too much traffic, bro. Got a hood on. You got a hood on in your car, bro. A hoodie on with the windows up, but you dangerous, bro. You one of them drivers, cuz. This is some busy traffic, y'all. I'm not gonna lie. We're gonna call this the busy. We're gonna call that rush hour POV. Literally, boy. Like, it's nothing. Like, this is crazy, bro. It's only 3 o'clock, bro. and these niggas out like it's 6. Ain't nobody at work, even though I know it's a weekend, but yeah. Ooh. Bro, do y'all hear that, cuz? Olivia one of them ones, man. Olivia is one of them ones. I done got quiet on y'all, boy, but it's therapeutic, man. I'm telling you, bro. This truck trying to keep up with me. Get out my way, man. You ain't even going nowhere. You just driving fast because you see me. I'm trying to get around you. You keep speeding up. Come on now. I'm gonna get on your ass now. I'm trying not to cut up for real. But hey, I better tell that boy chill out, boy. See, he slow down. Hit them brake then, boy. I ain't playing with you, boy. I'll let that wicker bill kiss your bumper, nigga. Yeah, straight up kiss that bill. Fast. That's the only thing that's gonna touch your car, the wicker bill. Literally. Telling you, boy, I be chilling, bro. You know what I'm saying? Y'all gotta have better ways. But boy, I'm not. Come on, boy. I don't really like that, but I'm not gonna lie to y'all, bro. I just be chilling. But you gotta grow up. You know what I'm saying? You do that. You do that. You know what I'm saying? Younger days. Yeah, cuz pointing at my whip. That be hard, ain't it? I know. Hold on, let me show y'all. Hey, cuz. Ain't that more on focus. Focus. Cuz right there. Keep turning around. Look at him. I was a little kid too. I ain't even see cuz. Little bro right there. Yeah. But yeah, man. Cuz blowing me. Nigga right here behind me. Should stick the phone out there. Show his ass. But yeah, man. Nice little cool. It's really a car vlog, bro. I've been talking the whole time, bro. I fought y'all, bro. I know a lot of y'all probably done clicked out the video about that. I'm like, damn, but this nigga just be talking, bro. Like, shut up, cuz. Just drive. That's all you good for, nigga. Drive. But, yeah, man. They're gonna be a good day, man. 3 o'clock, man. Finna hang out with my partners, man. Catch some of them boys on the video. I'm gonna try to get y'all an outside view of my whip, bro. Get one of them boys to record for me, bro. Like some flybys and I need clips, bro. That's probably what I'm gonna do. Probably what I'm gonna do, bro. I don't know if I'm gonna do it like, you know what I'm saying, in Mexico, or we're gonna do it just in traffic and they just record from their phone type, you know what I mean? What are these called? A bowl? But yeah, man. Look at cuz, he looking at my car like that. Look at him. Look at him. You know I'm be carrying. My tent ain't even that dark. But hey, I'm still gonna flip that bitch. Let me sit back. Sometimes I be sitting up too close. I know y'all kinda like this kind of view, like y'all really about driving, you know what I mean? Something like that. But even though this what I really see, you feel me? Let me know if y'all want it like this though. I don't know. I mean, it could be, I don't know. It's straight if I hold it like this. I don't know. We're gonna try to get the one going. I'm holding the camera too high. Hold on, I gotta turn my hand the other way. Alright, straight. It's a little workout though, baby. We're gonna work with it. Man, it kinda, I mean, I don't know. They look like on some new gen POVs in like 2028. Nigga gonna start just having a ceiling holder in their car. The phone just gonna sit right here. Nigga with sunroofs. So if I had a sunroof, I'd definitely do that. If I want to do two hands, that's not gonna be hard. I just have to always sit back though, like this, so I wouldn't be in the way. I thought that was a Cullinan over there, bit, but that was a Range Rover. I was gonna say, boy, what? That was a Cullinan. Yeah, man. That pretty much gonna be a wrap though. Just a little, what it is, rush hour POV, man. You know what I'm saying? A little rush hour POV. Nothing too crazy. Not too crazy, man. But yeah, man, that's gonna be a wrap though. Make sure y'all hit that like button, hit that subscribe button if you are new, man. Turn on post notification bell so you won't miss another banker from your boy. You know what I'm saying? I appreciate all y'all, man, that been subscribing, all my new subscribers. I appreciate everybody that been tuning in faithfully. You know what I'm saying? I appreciate every last one of y'all, bro. Without y'all, this channel would be nothing. So I appreciate y'all for real. You know what I'm saying? But yeah, man. That's gonna be a wrap. Like I said on the end of my video, man, chase your dreams, chase your goals. Don't let nobody tell you no. You know what I'm saying? Do your big one. You know what I'm saying? Keep God first, keep him in the mix. You know what I'm saying? Keep him in your plans, what you're trying to do, man, and let him guide you. And build that faith. Faith the size of a mustard seed, bro. It's so small I can't even show you in my hand how small it is. But just know, bro, it don't take much. Keep that faith, man. And put in that work. You gotta put in that work with the faith. You know what I'm saying? I be trying to put in that work too. Sometimes I get a little lazy. But I gotta get right back to it. You know what I'm saying? So y'all boy do that. But yeah. That's it, man. And like I also said on the end of my video, ugly ass, I'm out of here like yesterday. Peace.